The monkey office work. The monkey office work. Do your work or I'm gonna fire you. Do your work on your laptop. Do your work. I'll kill you, monkey, if you don't do your work. So she did her work. Let's see your passcode.
0266506.
I think you're breaking your laptop.
Can you? Oh, pause for a second, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna pause you.
Maybe.
Go ask him.
Oh, he wants to? But come with me so we can talk this out.
Let's just finish this movie. Okay, so the monkey was working on her laptop and she ate all of her books. So she bought new books to eat. And she ate her laptop. So she had to buy a new laptop, I guess.
And then she shot this at the wall. And it made a big splash. Now, she lifts up the chair and eats it. Oh, I eat the whole thing. I'm the Megalodon. And then she starts to dance. And then a hunter gets her. And then it was the officer that got him. Hi. The end.